Come on. Oh, Bailey. Bailey, what on earth are you doing? Is that such a good smell? Come on, Sky, this way, Guinness, come on. Guinness, come. Come on, this way. Come on, Guinness. Hey, Bentley. Come on, Sky. Sky, this way. Good girl, come on. That's it, Bentley, go on. Oh, everything's a bit fuzzy. Must have been when I dropped my camera on the grass. Come on. Hey, Sky. Who are you going to play with? I know you've done lots of... Really? Hello, Leah. Goodness, come on, boy. There's Leah. I don't know why I'm telling Sky to be gentle. I think it's Leah who's doing the chasing. They're all chasing Sky now. Bentley's desperately trying to play with Leah, but is not quite sure how. It's quite funny, she's slowed down so he can chase her. That is so funny. Leah, you enjoy playing with Bentley? Do you realise he's a pup too? Scrumpy's had to be put back inside because of a cut in her paw. Hey Sky, was that good fun having a little chase with a wee pup? Hey? Is that good playing tag? Hey Bentley. Poor Sky, you out to puff? You out to puff? Go on Bailey, go play with her. Where is she? Bailey? Where is she? Where'd she go? And there's Jock, quite the thing, walking about himself, happy. That's Leah playing with everybody. Bentley! Whoop! Sky, gentle! Good girl! Bentley, despite his size, is actually a pup. Sky! Gently! Gently, Sky! Good girl! Good girl! Hey, Sky! Hello, Billy. Billy. There's Leah's typical Springer, nose to the ground. Hello, girl. Sky, this way. Sky's managed to give it a wood she's chewing. Come on, Sky, this way. Let's go. You're not going to play with Leah anymore? Hmm? There's Jock way up there, quite happy, with a little black dot. Sky, this way, come on girl. Come on. Oh dear, what have you found to roll in, Sky? Hmm? Come on, Billy. Good girl. Sky, we need to get that baton back for you again so you can start running about a bit. There's Jock way ahead up there with Guinness. Leah, come this way. Good girl. Good boy, Bentley. Oh my goodness, Sky. Look at that bit of wood you've got. Leah, come. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Leah. Oh my goodness, Sky. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're going down to the river. Let's go. Come on. I'm going to stop filming shortly, otherwise I'm going to end up on my derriere because it's so slippy down here. Guy's already down. Jock is halfway down there. Guinness and Bentley are here. So I'm going to sign off at this point. Hey Sky, you coming? Come on. Go on, Sky. In you go. It's amazing. I wasn't bringing the dogs down here because with the rain we've had, the river was so deep. And look at it now. So shallow. Hey, Bentley. Go in, Sky. Woo. I'll maybe stop filming until I get into the river a wee bit and then see. Good boy, Bentley. Good boy, Bailey. Sky's busy playing with her stick. Not good fun, Bentley? And there's Bailey as usual trying to dig and retrieve things, I suppose, being a retriever from the bottom of the river. Sit. Good girl. Leah. Sky, you going in? You gonna go in, Sky? No? Sky! Where'd he go? Where'd he go, Sky? Look at it! Look at it, Sky! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? No? Whoops. My glove coming in the way. Good boy, Guinness. Oops. Good girl, Leah. Come, Billy, let's go. There you go, Billy. Sky, there you go. That's it, good girl. Where'd he go? Where'd he go, Sky? Where'd he go, Billy? Where'd he go, Guinness? Where'd he go? That's amazing. Guinness, three-legged dog. Our three-legged dog just went down there. Where'd he go, Billy? Where'd he go? Sky, where is it? Where is it, Leah? Where'd he go? Go on, Billy. Here you go. There you go. I'm pretending to throw. Come on. Here you go. There we go. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go, Leah? Where'd he go, Bentley? Huh? Where'd he go? Let's go. Come on, Guinness. Come on, Guinness, up you come.